This is Ritvik Rai. I'm analyst for media sector at Kotak Securities. I'm here to give you a briefing on the media sector and the expectations from the Union Budget 2014. Since it's a somewhat new sector in certain industries, at least especially in broadcasting, expectations from Union Budget for the media sector usually hover around certain benefits that may be provided by the government to this space. This year too, the expectations are broadly centered around the broadcasting space. Firstly, in terms of the tax subs that may be provided, the broadcasting industry, in view of the digitization drive that has been started by the government, is looking for some benefits to reduce customs duty on set-top boxes. The second demand from the same space is for providing infrastructure status to the distribution industry, so that funding requirements can be met. Given that these demands have not been met in the previous budgets, and especially in the last budget, which was critical in so much that last year was the beginning of DAS implementation, we believe that it is quite unlikely that these demands are likely to be met. Further, we also note that last year the government has also improved the foreign investment limits, which will provide some reprieve to these companies insofar as meeting funding requirements is concerned. The other key demand, and that too has been a long-standing one, is that for reducing the service tax or eliminating the service tax in advertising in the broadcasting sector. Again, this has been a long pending demand, and it appears that the government is not very receptive to the idea of bringing this kind of parity that the industry is seeking. As such, we do not believe that any action will be taken in this regard in this budget as well. Therefore, in sum, we believe that the budget will be something of a non-event for the media sector. Even so, we have a preference for some stocks based on regulatory changes that are happening in the sector, and also certain other structural benefits that the sector enjoys. So DB Corp, ENIL, TV18 Broadcast and Sun TV Network are favored picks in the media sector.